Stop paying full price for accounting software. Right now, Xero, one of the most powerful cloud accounting platforms on the planet, is offering 90% off for the first 6 months. And I've got an exclusive link that gets you in. This deal is limited time only, so do not click away. Back to the channel. If you run a business, whether you're in the UK, USA, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, or anywhere else in the world, and you're still doing your books in spreadsheets or paying through the nose for accounting software, this video is literally going to save you money today. So for anyone who doesn't know, Xero is a cloud-based accounting software used by millions of small businesses worldwide. It lets you send invoices, track expenses, manage payroll, reconcile your bank account, and handle your tax reporting, all in one clean, easy-to-use dashboard. It connects to your bank, your payment processors, and pretty much every app you already use. Big firms in London use it. Freelancers in Sydney use it. E-commerce sellers in New York use it. Startups in Auckland and Singapore use it. It is genuinely world-class software. Now here is why you are actually watching this video, the deal. Through my link in the description, you can get 90% off Xero for the first 6 months. That means you are getting premium accounting software for a fraction of the normal price. Whether you are in the UK, USA, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Canada, or South Africa, this offer is available across multiple regions. But this is a limited time promotion. I do not know exactly when it expires, so the best move is to grab it now before it disappears. Look, I would not be putting this in front of you if I did not think it was worth your time. Xero is genuinely one of the best tools out there for keeping your finances sorted. And at 90% off, it is basically a no-brainer. For the price of a coffee a month in your first 6 months, you get professional invoicing, real-time bank reconciliation, tax-ready reports, multi-currency support, which is huge if you are in Singapore, New Zealand, or doing international business, payroll features, and over 800 app integrations. This is the stuff accountants use, and now you can have it for yourself. So here is what you need to do right now. Go to the link in the description below, click it, start your free trial, and the 90% discount is automatically applied for your first 6 months. Whether you are a sole trader in Brisbane, a limited company in London, a startup in Auckland, a consultant in Singapore, or a small business owner in Chicago, this deal works for you. Do not sleep on this. It is time limited, and once it is gone, it is gone. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more tips on tools and software that actually save you time and money. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Stop paying full price for accounting software. Right now, Xero, one of the most powerful cloud accounting platforms on the planet, is offering 90% off for the first 6 months. And I've got an exclusive link that gets you in. This deal is limited time only, so do not click away.